Thank you, sir. Now may I request our Vice Chancellor, sir, for the Independence Day address.
Good morning, everybody. Beloved Pro Vice Chancellor Narayan Rao Garu, faculty, students, staff. Happy 75th Independence Day. It's a very important milestone for India. The entire country is celebrating with a great pride and joy. At the very outset, let us remember the great sacrifices rendered by many and pay our rich tributes. Let us start with Mahatma Gandhiji, who united the entire country in the freedom struggle. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Baba Ambedkar, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and many more. It is all because of their selfless sacrifices we are enjoying today's freedom. Our freedom struggle is indeed unique. It is by employing very peaceful, non-violent methods and unusual tools like satyagraha, ahimsa, non-cooperation. Our great leaders have got this freedom for us. Actually, they have sown the seeds for a very vibrant and strong democracy during their struggles. That is why even today India is a vibrant democracy if you compare with other nations who have got independence around the same time. My dear friends, it is our bounden duty to remember their selfless services and see how we can be useful to the society with the path that they have shown to us. In fact, today is the beginning of our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. 75 years of independence. స్వాతంత్ర అమృత మహోత్సవానికి అమృత మహోత్సవ వేడుకలకు ఈరోజు మనం కూడా ప్రారంభిస్తున్నాం కంట్రీలో దేశంలో లాగానే. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ రిక్వెస్టెడ్ ద కన్సర్న్ పీపుల్, స్టూడెంట్ అఫైర్స్, క్యాంపస్ లైఫ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ and the other people to draw out a plan for the entire year. until 15th August 2022. Various events, various competitions focusing on the freedom struggle. I do not know how many of the present day generation remember the sacrifices rendered by many. That is why many of our events and competitions must be focused on freedom struggle and 75 years of independence. ఇది రంగోలీ కాంపిటీషన్స్ అయినా అవ్వచ్చు, జానపద గేయాలైనా అవ్వచ్చు, it can be photography. They can get wonderful photographs of the freedom struggle and during the last 75 years. It can be theater. మనం తెలుగులో కూడా డ్రామాలు మీరందరూ డ్రామాల్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయొచ్చు. It can be music, it can be dance, it can be several other things. I am sure Assistant Director, Student Affairs will involve all the clubs in conducting these competitions. Maybe it could be on important dates like September 5th, the Teachers' Day, or October 2nd, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, or it could be November 14th, it could be January 23rd, Neta Subhash Chandra Jayanti, 26 January, Baba Ambedkar's birthday. So like this, on several occasions and on the other occasions, we should conduct these events and competitions. I am sure that you will be doing this job. Let me take this opportunity to express our gratitude on behalf of the management to all those who have rendered selfless services in the last 16 months during the pandemic period. Our medical, paramedical, housekeeping staff, security, CLM staff, plumbers, electricians, మీరంతా నిస్వార్థంగా ఈ 16 నెలలు ఫర్ ద లాస్ట్ 16 months అందరికీ సేవ చేశారు. ఆ సేవలకు ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ మీ అందరికీ ఎంతో రుణపడి ఉంటుంది. We are indeed grateful to all these who have rendered their services during the last 16 months. But for your services, we could not have conducted academic operations so effectively. We are grateful to our teachers. We are grateful to non-academic staff for conducting online classes very effectively. We have many accomplishments in terms of research under the stewardship of Professor Narayan Rao Garu. And we have several accomplishments, student accomplishments under the direction of the director, assistant director, student affairs. మనం బాగా గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే the things that we should remember are the patents filed by our students relevant to pandemic, especially protection equipments and other related materials. Some of our mechanical engineering students have developed and published patents. And there is one girl student I would like to specially mention the name, Srilata. So all of you who are present here, I see a good number of our female employees or others participating in this event. So that student Srilata filed a patent for developing thermal cloth. Indeed, for a nascent university like SRM, these are all great accomplishments. It is a coincidence that our maiden batch or the first graduation is also happening on this most momentous 75th Independence Day. And our students have got 100% placements with very good salaries, and our students have got good admissions in many reputed universities. Our students have started a very good company in Bangalore in artificial intelligence area, avarai.ai. ఈ విధంగా మనం మన మొట్టమొదటి గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ బ్యాచ్లోనే ఈ 75వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవానికి కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతా మన స్టూడెంట్స్ సాధించిన ఎన్నో ఘనతల్ని మనందరం గుర్తు తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాం ఈ రోజున. We must congratulate all of them. I must express my deep sense of gratitude to the housekeeping staff, to the security, to all those who are working in the campus life management in the medical, paramedical and many other supporting staff, our faculty and students on this occasion. Let us all remember that unlike our great people, ఎందరో మహనీయులు ఇచ్చిన ఈ స్వాతంత్రం మనం గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. వాళ్ళు చేసిన నిస్వార్థ సేవల్ని మనం గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. సో వీ మస్ట్ ఫాలో ద పాత్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ సెల్ఫ్లెస్ సర్వీస్ అండ్ సీ వాట్ వీ కెన్ డూ. What excess that we have, we can give it. We must always remember, నిస్వార్థ సేవతో మనందరం ముందుకెళ్లాలని ఈ 75వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా ఆజాదీకి అమృత్ మహోత్సవ్ సందర్భంగా అందరికీ నా శుభాకాంక్షలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై హింద్.
Thank you, sir. All the students, faculty, staff who are watching the program live on Zoom, we'll just take 2 minutes of time before we start the cultural program. The computers of the day, we'll just hold the cultural program for a couple of minutes till we have our dignitaries seated, and thereafter we'll continue. Thank you.
Well, we will be starting this cultural program soon. I think Meher and Satvika can take it over. Satvika, please check if you are able to speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Meher? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Over to you guys.
Good morning to all the dignitaries and my fellow students. I am Mihir and I extend my warm welcome to all present here for the celebration of the 75th Independence Day.
As we have just seen the flag hoisting ceremony and Vice Chancellor Sir's speech, let us continue on with our program. You all remember the Independence Day as a day filled with speeches, dances, and songs, right? So now let's dive into a segment of songs. Song is an expression and an emotion which brings us all into the moment. Today, we have Shruti, Saumya, and Mahita from Music Club to present a song for us. They will be singing Desham Manade.
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే గురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకు కటేలి రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా భరతమాత సుతులేరా ఎన్ని దేహాలున్నా మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమాత అంతా ఈ వేళ వందే మాతరం అందామందరం వందే మాతరం అందామందరం దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో ఏ కులమైన ఏ మతమైన భరతమాతకొకటి లేరా రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా భరతమాత సుతులే లేరా దేశాలున్నా దోషాలున్నా దేశమంటే ప్రాణమిస్తా అంతా ఈ వేళ వందే మాతరం అందమందరం వందే మాతరం అందమందరం
జనగణ మన అధినాయక
Wow, that was an ear-pleasing musical experience. Those melodies steeped in the musical notes are still with me. Next, we have a flute recital by Funny Teja, who will be playing A Vatan for us.
Wow, one word, awesome. That was absolutely magical. Now coming to the dance. Dance is an expression of one's feelings through the rhythmic movements of music and taking delight in the moment itself. Now we have our dance club members Tarugna, Geetika, Mehtash, Gayatri, and Navya Teja expressing their love towards country with the performance.
नमो भारताम्बे नमो
नमो नमो भारताम्बे सारस्वत शरीरिणि नमोस्तु जगतां वन्द्ये ब्रह्मविद्या प्रकाशिनी नमो नमो भारताम्बे हिमालय किरीटिनी गङ्गाद्या सरित सर्वस्तन्यं ते विश्वपावनी नमो 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 भारताम्बे नमो नमो भारताम्बे नमो नमो नमो
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो जय हो
मेरे वतन है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले
Wow, that was an incredible dance video. After witnessing these amazing song, flute, and the dance performances, our heart definitely wants more. So now it's time to sweeten our ears with one more song. Now we have our music club's very own Soumyadi, who will be singing Teri Mitti to display his gratitude towards our country.
वारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वो तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। केसरी ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। हो वतनावे मेरे वतनावे तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वो तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। केसरी
Wow, that was ear soothing and has indulged us in sense of patriotism. I know you all loved the flute performance earlier. So now we bring you another flute recital by Funny Teja. He'll be playing Sara Jahan.
Wow, I just want to listen to such masterpiece again and again. That was truly amazing. Now, I know, guys, I know you all have been waiting for the results of the yesterday's quiz. So let's not waste any time and let's get it here. So, who all don't know, like there was a quiz being conducted yesterday on the India's heritage and the past. So I'll be announcing the top two winners of the quiz. And the second place goes to Nandini Valivetti. Congrats, Nandini Valivetti. And the first place goes to Pavani Nara. So if you're present in the meeting, let us know later. And congratulations to both of you. And before we conclude this event, let us observe the beauty of India through the lens of the Photography Club. They have prepared a video for us showing the incredible India. Now, guys, I request all of the students to please fill up the feedback forms, which can be found in the chat box. And finally, thank you everyone for joining in this event and making it successful with your gracious presence. I hope you all had fun just like we did. And once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This is Mihir.
Satvika, signing off here. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. And we will all leave you with a video put together by the music master. Please try to fill the feedback forms, guys.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् కులమత జాతి భేదం మరచి ఐక్యతగా ఒక బాట సాగుదా త్రివర్ణ కేతనం పైకెత్తి ఓ నవ్య గీతి గొంతెత్తి పాడుదా కులమత జాతి భేదం మరచి ఐక్యతగా ఒక బాట సాగుదా త్రివర్ణ కేతనం పైకెత్తి ఓ నవ్య గీతి గొంతెత్తి పాడుదా అందరి క్షేమం ఆశయంగా చాటుదా వందనమిడి మన తల్లి భారతికి శాంతి కపోతం ఎగరేయుదా వందే మాతరం వందే